Getting pictures, X, and we found a strange creature, and it's a bug. What is it?
What the heck is it?
It's not a bee.
Can you see it clearly on your iPad?
Not really.
Don't let it get on it.
It's not a bee, for gosh sakes.
Some kind of beetle, I bet.
Yeah.
Oh,
But we don't know what type. Well, kill it.
there's still another one.
Yeah, over here. And we're trying to catch birds.
Oh, I just scared it.
And we're playing Manhunt soon. So, please like, subscribe, and please tell us what this is in the comment box. Bye.